Hey there, welcome back to Triplezon. Are you planning your next adventure but struggling to find the perfect bag that holds everything without weighing you down? Finding the right gear completely changes how you travel. Today we are looking at the best travel backpack for women to make your next trip absolutely amazing. Let's get started. When it comes to traveling smart, the Lovebook travel backpack for women is changing the game. This bag is designed to make your journey effortless and organized. Measuring 18 by 14 by 8 inches, it is the perfect size to bring on board. You can slide it neatly under the seat or tuck it securely into the overhead bin. It perfectly meets the personal item requirements for budget airlines like Spirit, Frontier, and JetBlue. This means you can avoid extra baggage fees and enjoy a hassle-free air travel experience straight away. Let us talk about space, because the Lovebook travel backpack for women really delivers. Boasting a generous 40 liters of capacity, this bag gives you an incredible amount of room. It features 4 main compartments and multiple pockets, allowing you to easily separate and organize your belongings. Whether you pack for a quick weekend getaway or a 3 to 7 day vacation, this bag provides plenty of space for your clothing and toiletries. You will never have to worry about running out of room or stuffing things inside randomly. Staying organized is easier than ever because the Lovebook travel backpack includes some amazing extras. You get 2 storage bags for your clothes and a dedicated shoe bag to keep dirty footwear separate from clean outfits. On top of that, the backpack features a built-in wet pocket. This clever addition makes it incredibly easy to store wet clothes, damp towels, or liquid toiletries safely. You will not have to worry about any leaks or moisture spreading and affecting the rest of your dry items inside the bag. A great travel bag needs to be tough, and the Lovebook travel backpack is truly built to last. It is crafted from premium materials that are tear-resistant, water-resistant, and highly abrasion-resistant to survive busy travel days. Comfort is also a massive priority. It is equipped with fully adjustable shoulder straps and a beautifully padded back panel. These features help distribute weight evenly, ensuring you stay relaxed even when carrying heavier loads through large airports. You will appreciate the practical features that make the Lovebook travel backpack so convenient. It has a fantastic suitcase-style opening that opens flat, giving you quick access during security checks. Inside, there is a padded electronics compartment to keep your devices safely protected from unexpected impacts. Plus, a highly durable luggage strap allows you to slide the backpack smoothly over the handle of your rolling suitcase, making navigating busy terminals incredibly simple. Are you ready to upgrade your travel gear and pack like a pro? Check the price link in the description to learn more and grab yours today. If you found this video helpful for planning your next trip, please like and subscribe to Triplezon for more amazing content. We love finding the best items to make your adventures much more enjoyable. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today, and we cannot wait to see you in the next one. Safe travels and have a wonderful day.